Hey everyone, it's Tech Folk here. Today we're tackling inflation and how to permanently slash your fuel, heating, and grocery costs. I'll share actionable strategies that go beyond the usual tips, so you can keep more of your hard-earned cash. Ready to make your budget bulletproof? Let's dive in. Groceries are one of the largest recurring expenses for most households, but with a thoughtful approach, you can dramatically reduce your monthly food bill without sacrificing quality or nutrition. The key is to shop smarter, not harder, and to make every dollar count. Start by dedicating just 10 minutes each week to meal planning. Sit down with your family or by yourself and map out what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This simple habit helps you avoid last-minute takeout and ensures you only buy what you need. Make a detailed shopping list based on your meal plan, including snacks and staples, and stick to it religiously. When you're in the store, resist the urge to grab items that aren't on your list. Impulse buys, like that extra bag of chips or a fancy dessert, can quickly add up and blow your budget. If you see something tempting, ask yourself if it fits your plan for the week. Buying in bulk is a great way to save on non-perishable items such as rice, pasta, canned beans, and oats. But be strategic. Only purchase what you know you'll use before it expires. Bulk buying can lead to waste if you're not careful, so keep track of what your household actually consumes. Take advantage of store loyalty programs. Signing up is usually free and gives you access to personalized discounts, digital coupons, and even cashback offers. Many stores also have apps that let you load coupons directly onto your loyalty card, making it easy to save without clipping paper coupons. One of the simplest tricks to avoid overspending is to never shop on an empty stomach. When you're hungry, everything looks delicious, and you're more likely to buy extra snacks or convenience foods. Eat a small meal or snack before you head out to keep your cravings in check. Another easy way to save is to choose store brands over name brands. Store brands often offer the same quality as their more expensive counterparts, but at a fraction of the price. Over time, these small swaps can add up to significant savings. Before you even leave home, compare prices online. Many grocery stores post their weekly ads and specials on their websites or apps. Use this information to plan your shopping trip around the best deals. There are also apps that help you track prices and find coupons for your favorite products. Build your meals around what's in season and what's on sale. Seasonal produce is not only fresher and tastier, but it's usually much cheaper than out-of-season options. If strawberries or broccoli are on sale, plan a few meals that feature those ingredients. Over time, these habits can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. Track your grocery spending month to month and watch as your savings grow. You might be surprised at how much you can set aside just by making a few mindful changes. Remember, small changes, like planning ahead, sticking to your list, and choosing store brands, compound into big results. The more consistent you are, the more you'll save. Don't forget to scan digital coupons and use your loyalty rewards at checkout. Many stores offer extra discounts or points that can be redeemed for future savings. Some even send you personalized offers based on your shopping habits, so check your app or email before you shop. The secret to optimizing your grocery shopping is to plan, compare, and stick to your strategy. With a little effort, you'll find that your grocery trips become more efficient, less stressful, and much more affordable. Your wallet and your future self will thank you. Now that you've learned how to master your grocery budget, let's move on to the next money-saving step and continue building your financial success story. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home and your wallet. Over time, these appliances can significantly reduce your utility bills, saving you money month after month, year after year. Not only do they use less electricity, but they also often perform better and last longer than older, less efficient models. Imagine opening your utility bill and seeing the savings add up, all while knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment. When shopping for new appliances, always look for the Energy Star label. These models are certified to use up to 50% less energy than standard appliances, which means lower operating costs and a smaller carbon footprint. Whether you're replacing your refrigerator, washing machine, or even your dishwasher, choosing Energy Star can make a noticeable difference in your home's energy consumption. Even small changes can add up. Swapping out old incandescent bulbs for modern LED lights, or plugging your electronics into smart power strips, can help you save energy every single day. These simple upgrades are affordable, easy to install, and start saving you money right away. Focus on replacing the biggest energy users in your home first. Appliances like your refrigerator, heating, and cooling systems consume the most power. Upgrading these can have the greatest impact on your energy bills and your home's overall efficiency. Don't forget to check with your local utility company for rebates and incentives. Many offer cash back or discounts when you purchase energy-efficient appliances, making it even more affordable to upgrade. To get the most out of your new appliances, regular maintenance is key. Clean filters, run full loads in your dishwasher and washing machine, and follow the manufacturer's care instructions to keep everything running efficiently. By making these upgrades, you're not just saving money, you're also helping to protect the planet for future generations. Energy-efficient appliances are a win-win for your home, your budget, and the environment. Transportation costs add up fast, especially with rising gas prices. Switching to public transit or carpooling can save you thousands a year. Even using transit a few times a week makes a difference. Carpooling splits gas, tolls, and parking, and reduces wear on your car. Some employers offer incentives for using public transit. Check if you qualify. Consider biking for short trips to save even more. Try it for a month and see how much you save. Proper insulation is a game changer for heating and cooling costs. Seal drafts around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulk. Insulate your attic and basement for the biggest impact. Wrap your water heater and expose pipes to reduce heat loss. Upgrade to double-pane windows if possible, they pay off over time. Many insulation projects are DIY-friendly and affordable. A well-insulated home is more comfortable and saves money year-round. Inspect your home and start sealing those leaks. Growing your own food is practical and rewarding. Start small with easy veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, or herbs. Even a few pots on a balcony help. Seeds are cheap, and homegrown produce means fewer trips to the store. Compost kitchen scraps to enrich your soil and cut waste. Community gardens are great if you lack space. Expand your garden as you gain experience. Each addition saves more. Enjoy fresher food and real savings. Protect yourself from rising energy costs by locking in fixed-rate utility plans. Shop around for the best rates and read the fine print for fees or exclusions. Budget billing can help smooth out seasonal spikes. Look for discounts for automatic payments or paperless billing. Set reminders to renegotiate before your contract ends. Taking control of your utility rates shields your budget from surprises. Learning basic repairs isn't just about saving money. It's about gaining independence and building valuable life skills. When you take the time to understand how things work in your home, you become more self-reliant and confident in your abilities. Even small repairs can give you a sense of accomplishment and control over your environment, which is especially important during times of rising costs. Start with simple tasks like changing air filters to keep your home's air clean, unclogging drains to prevent plumbing issues, or patching up small holes in drywall. These projects don't require expensive tools or advanced skills, but they can make a big difference in your home's comfort and upkeep. Thanks to the internet, you have access to countless step-by-step tutorials on platforms like YouTube. These videos break down repairs into manageable steps, making it easy for beginners to follow along and learn at their own pace. You'll be surprised how many fixes are within your reach with just a little guidance. Don't forget about your car. Basic maintenance like changing the oil, replacing windshield wipers, or checking tire pressure can be done at home with minimal tools. These simple tasks help your vehicle run smoothly and save you from costly trips to the mechanic. Regularly inspecting your home for leaks, loose screws, or worn-out parts can prevent small issues from turning into expensive emergencies. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding bigger, costlier problems down the road. Make it a habit to clean your appliances, like wiping down your washing machine, cleaning refrigerator coils, or scrubbing your oven. These simple routines help your appliances last longer and work more efficiently, saving you money on repairs and replacements. Of course, it's important to know your limits. If a repair involves complex wiring, gas lines, or anything you're uncomfortable with, don't hesitate to call a professional. But for many everyday fixes, you'll find you're more capable than you think. Every new skill you learn not only saves you money, but also makes your household more resilient to inflation. Embracing DIY repairs empowers you to take control of your budget and your home, one project at a time. We've covered strategies to cut costs and shield your budget from inflation. Start with 1 or 2 tips, build momentum, and watch your savings grow. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more money-saving strategies.